teacher Nikki and I'm a tutor on Cambly Kids. Today, we're going to learn about something amazing! Pets! Do you like pets? Me too! I'm an animal lover. This means that I give animals love and care. Look, this is my pet. Her name is Vera, and she's a cat. What sound do cats make? Meow. Very good. Great job. Do you like cats? Very good. I do too. Okay, are you ready to start? Let's begin. Okay, let's start with number 1. This pet can be very small or very, very, very big. It has 2 ears, 4 legs, and lots of soft fur. This pet likes to play and go for walks. Do you know what it is? It makes this sound. Woof, woof, woof. Do you know? Yes! It's a dog. Awesome, guys. Very good. Okay, let's see pet number 2. This pet is usually medium size. It also has fur, 2 ears, and 4 legs. This pet likes to jump and sleep in the sun. It chases mice and plays with feathers. Do you know what it is? It makes this sound. Meow, meow. What is it? It's a cat, yes! Very good, way to go. Okay, pet number 3. This pet lives in the water. It likes to swim, it eats plants, and they can be very, very, very small or pretty big too. It has scales, not fur. It doesn't have legs, and it has gills to help them breathe in the water. Do you know what it is? It makes this sound, look, 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 when it swims. What is it? It's a fish! Yes, very good! It's a fish. Very good, guys. Okay, pet number 4. This pet is very, very small. They are so, so cute. They have tiny legs and big, big, big cheeks. It likes to eat, run in its wheel, and stuff their cheeks with food. This pet is adorable and very soft. Do you know what it is? It makes this sound. Squeak, 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 squeak. What is it? Yes, you guessed it. It's a hamster. It's a hamster. Very good, guys. That was amazing. Okay, our last pet, number 5. This pet is pretty small, but it can grow and get big and bigger and bigger. This pet has a hard shell on its back. It can be green or brown. This pet doesn't make sounds. It's very quiet. And also, it is slow. It can't run. Do you know what it is? As I said before, it doesn't make sounds. It's a quiet animal. Shh. What is it? It's a turtle! You got it! Very good! It's a turtle. Very good, guys. That was wonderful. You're great at this game. Round of applause for you. Very good. For those of you who didn't know, Cambly Kids is an amazing platform where you can access live lessons with tutors that are kid-friendly just like me. If you liked our class together, ask your parents to book a lesson with me below. It was great to see you guys today. You're great learners. I hope to see you in class too. See you next time.